recording. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
That one's cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that looks really cool.
Yeah. Like a butterfly.
Yeah. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, yeah, I'm starting to see actually how this is working a little bit better. The higher frequency it is, it looks like the more shapes you're getting because there's more fluctuations.
There's
in the
3
wave.
on this side, but only 2 on that.
There, that's a little clearer, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's cool.
It's like a 6-pack.
That's awesome.
Or an 8-pack.
It's like a 10-pack. That one's weird looking. It's not even symmetrical.
Oh, that's cool.
Ooh, that's a new one. That's really cool. Okay. Let's take a picture. Okay. Alright, now, let's see. That's interesting. That's a new one too.
Mm-hmm. You can go almost as high as
that one's
Ariana
cool.
Grande.
That's probably the most complicated one and most symmetrical.
Mm-hmm.
Get a picture of that.
You know that Hawaiian bread
Uh-huh.
with a bunch of words like that?
That's cool.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there it is again.
This shows that this is science because it's reproducible. It's only science if you can do it again.